In today's video, I will walk you through how to send money through PayPal without fee. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send money through PayPal while avoiding additional transaction fees by choosing the correct payment option during the process. After accessing your PayPal account, you'll normally arrive on the summary page. From there, look at the menu near the top of the screen and select the option labeled Send and Request. Inside the Send and Request section, you'll see options related to sending or requesting payments. To continue with sending money, select the Send Money option. Next, enter the email address connected to the PayPal account of the person you want to send money to. The recipient must already have an active PayPal account for the transfer to work correctly. After entering the email address, continue to move to the next screen. On the next page, enter the amount of money you want to send. You'll also have the option to include a note with the payment if needed. After entering the amount, continue by selecting the recipient's country or region of residence from the available options. Once everything has been entered correctly, select the Continue button to move forward. PayPal will then ask what the payment is for. You'll usually see two different options. One option is for sending money to a friend or family member, and the other option is for paying for an item or service. To avoid additional fees, select the option for sending to a friend or family member. The payment for goods or services option may include fees, so make sure you choose the correct option based on the type of payment you are sending. After selecting the friend or family option, review the payment details shown on the screen. When you're ready to complete the transfer, select the Send Payment Now button. PayPal will then process the payment using your available PayPal balance or one of the payment methods linked to your account, such as a debit card or credit card. Once the payment is processed, the money will be sent to the recipient through PayPal. If you are using a mobile device, the process is very similar. You'll still enter the payment amount and then choose between sending money to a friend or family member or paying for goods and services before completing the payment. The important part of the process is making sure the friend or family option is selected if you want to avoid additional fees for the transaction. After the payment is submitted successfully, the transfer will appear in your PayPal activity, and the recipient will receive the funds in their PayPal account. And that's how to send money through PayPal without fee. Thank you for watching.